Welcome. I welcome you all. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I would like to welcome you all in this video having the title Ayurvedic Medicinal Plants Part 3. My dear friends, I am making this series like a example of 10 to 12 videos regarding the Ayurvedic medicinal plants. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. My WhatsApp number is 922681060. This video is very useful for all the practitioners. It is, of course, useful for the second year BMS students, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, in the subject of Dravya Guda Vijnana. This video will give the insight about the different plants with the photographs, properties, and functions. This is useful for writing the theory paper as well as for the practical purpose when the fresh plants and some specimens are kept for the spotting purpose. So this video you can see up to the end very carefully. In this video about part 3, we are going to discuss near about 11 plants in very short manner. Sariva, Indrajava, Lata Karanj, Aragvadha, Chandana, Rakta Chandan especially, Gambhari, Hirda or Haritaki, Mendi, Murudu Sheng, Erand and Saptaparna. So this is the Sariva root. This specimen can be kept for your Dravya Guna Vijnana practical of second year BMS for the spotting purpose. So the Latin name is Hemidesmus indicus of Sariva. Another name for Sariva is Anantamula. The root of this plant is red colored. This is Rakta Prasadan. The famous formulation available in the market is Sarivadhyasava. Sarivadhyasava is available. Of course, Anantamul Churna is also available for external and internal application, internal taking and external application as anti-pitta. Whenever there is heat, whenever there is a burning, you can apply the paste of Anantamula powder, paste of Anantamula powder. And inside, whenever there is a pitta prakopa, heat and hotness is increased, you must use the Sariva or Anantamul Sarivadhyaso 4 teaspoons with equal amount of water 2 times in a day. Sariva is a tikta and madhura in rasa. Tikta means bitter and madhura means sweet. Madhura is a vipak and sheet, cooling, thanda, thanda, cool, cool. That is best for pitta dosha. Shita means cold potency. Sariva Dhanavati is like a home remedy. You must keep Sariva Dhanavati at your home. Whenever there is a pitta problem, burning sensation of the body, hands and feet, eyes, you must start Sariva Dhanavati taking internally. Sariva Hima also can be prepared. How to prepare? Just take the, for example, 5 to 10 grams of coarse powder of Anantamul or Sariva. Put it in the 250 ml or 200 ml of the water in the cold water and keep it for 4 or 5 hours and then filter it and drink that particular medicated water. This is also cooling. Then Jingi Sharadi Vati. Jingi Sharadi Vati is available from Vidyananda Lab, Thane, Mumbai, Maharashtra state. Jingi Sharadi Vati, another name is Manjishtha Sariva Vati. Both are a blood purifier, Manjishtha as well as Sariva. So all the skin diseases, you must take this blood purifier tablet, Jingi Sharadivati, but this is basically used for PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease and different gynec problems. Sariva root that we are using, then herbal tea. Some companies, especially my colleague Dr. Ghoor madam, she has her own pharmaceutical company. She prepared the herbal tea from Arjun, Sariva and Sunt are the contents and Yoga Amrut. Yoga Amrut is like ambrosia. Yoga Amrut every day to maintain the health, the person can take herbal tea with Arjun, Sariva and Suntha. Those who want, they can WhatsApp me. I can refer that particular demand to my colleague Dr. Ila Bhor madam. Ananta Kalpa is also the product from my colleague Dr. Ila Bhor, from my teammate. She is preparing this Ananta Kalpa as a, like a Bornvita or the Horlicks. It contains Shatavari, Sariva, Vidarikand. This Ananta Kalpa sugar granules is very useful for pregnancy from 4 to 7 months for fitter color and complexion of the fetus, baby. Color and complexion will be nice if the lady, pregnant woman, is taking Anantakalpa. Lata Karanja. Next plant. This is thorny. No? The plant is thorny. You can see the thorns over here. Can you see here the thorns? So this is a thorny plant. Lata Karanja, Caesal Pinia Christa. Caesal Pinia Christa. This is thorny. So planted as a fencing tree. When we have the house and we want to some make a plantation over there, then you must Lata Karanja plantation should be done at the fencing because it is thorny, so the animals cannot enter into your house. Bija Majja from the root. Bija Majja from the root is very useful as a Vishama Jvaranashak. Whenever there is a malarial infection, typhoid type of infection, you can take Lata Karanja Dhanavati. Bija Majja is useful. This is Tikta, Katu and Ushna. Rasa is a bitter, Vipak is Katu, and Virya, potency, is Ushna, hot. Again, the picture of Lata Karanja. Can you see the leaves? Observe the leaves, especially. Aragbada, big leaves. Aragbada means Bahava, big leaves. Remember this, big, very, very big leaves. Okay. Cassia fistula. This Aragbada or Bahava is a mild laxative. It is very easy to take as a home remedy. In the market, in the Ayurvedic pharmaceutical shops, you can get Bahava Magaja. Bahava Magaja is a pulp. Take the 10 grams, 2 cup of water, boil it to reduce 1 cup, drink that water. This is very sweet in taste. Due to the sweet taste, this particular Bahava Magaja drink is very useful as a laxative for children and the old people. If you don't want to do anything like this at your home, then ready-made in the market, Arak Vadharishta is available. Arak Vadharishta is used as a laxative and also for the skin diseases because this is having blood purifier. On the tree, there are Bahava Shenga are also available. Madhura Tikta is a ras, sweet and bitter. Madhura is a vipak and Shita is a virya. Aragvada Kapila Vati. Vati means tablet. Aragvada Kapila Vati is for the laxative as well as anti-helminthic. If the children having the worms as well as constipation, you must use the Aragvada Kapila Vati. Also, Bhava Dhanavati is available. Aragvada, can you see again the big leaves over here? Rakta Chandana. Just see the tree as well as the leaves of the tree. Rakta Chandana. Pterocarpus santalinus, Latin name. Pterocarpus santalinus. Tree is having the Sarabhag. Sarabhag is of red color. Pulp, like inner part of the skin, is a red color. You can make a paste from the Rakta Chandana. This is Vishagna, antitoxic. Rakta Prasadana, purifying the blood. And it is also used to reduce the sprain, ankle sprain. You have to apply the paste of Rakta Chandana where there is a spasm in the muscle. Tikta Kashaya is a ras, bitter and astringent. Katu is a vipak. And Shita is a virya, anti-pitta. Chandanasava is prepared from Shweta Chandana. There are two varieties, Rakta Chandana, Shweta Chandana. Okay, Chandanasav is from Shweta Chandana. Then there is Medo Pachak Kadha. Med Pachak Kadha. Whenever there is a problem with fat metabolism, adipose tissue problem, obesity problem, dyslipidemia problem, then we have to use the Rakta Chandana. Unfortunately, today, Rakta Chandana is banned by government. Shweta Chandan has a typical aroma, but is not too much that like of Rakta Chandan. Rakta Chandan has more type of the aroma. In the market, you can also get another product, Chandanadi Vati. Chandanadi Vati is very cooling and it is very useful in the urinary tract infection whenever there is a burning micturition. Sadah Mutra Pravrutti, Pittaj type of the urinary complaints and high fever also. When the temperature goes beyond 100 degrees Fahrenheit, you must give Chandanadi Vati, Rakta Chandana. Typical leaves, you can see the leaves of that Rakta Chandana. Gambhari. Next plant is Kashmiri or Gambhari. Can you see the plant like a triangle? Gambhari plant. Gemelina arborea. This is the Latin name. This is one of the content of Dashamul. Dashamul is very famous in Ayurveda, 10 roots. So, sarbat from Gambhari fruits, we can prepare the sarbat mixture with the water. This is very, very cooling, anti-pitta. Dashamul, what are the 10 roots? Bilva, Agnimantha, Shonnak, Patla, Tentu. And then Shaliparni, Prishniparni, Bruhati, Kantakari, and Gokshur. These are the 10 roots. So these all the roots of Gambhari is Katutikta Kashaya in test. Katu means bitter. Sorry, Katu means pungent. Tikta is a bitter and Kashaya is astringent. Katu is a vipak and Ushna is a virya. Fruits are opposite. Root is a very hot, but fruits are cooling. Madhura Tikta is a ras, sweet and bitter. Madhura is a vipak and Shita is a virya. Now, Gambhari, as I have told that Dashamularishta is a product, Gambhari's stem is many times, is like an adulteration, many times used in spite of the roots, because sometimes roots are not available, so stem is used by some companies, but that is not very good. Kashmaryadi Ghrita, some Vaidyas, they prepare the Kashmaryadi Ghrita, medicated ghee, for the prevention of abortion and miscarriage and to get the conception in the cases of infertility. The property is called as a Garbhasthapana, restoring the pregnancy. Garbhasthapana Kashmaryadi Ghrita. It has to be made. Then this is Gambhari is Agriya. Agriya means best in the Rakta Stambhana property. Best styptic. It stops the blood. So whenever there is abortion, miscarriage, it controls the bleeding in the woman. So this is Agriya means at the top, number one. Next is the Hirda or Haritaki. We have already seen the fruit in the last video, but this is a plant. You can see how it is a plant. Fruits we are using. This is best Rasayana and Virechan also, the purgative action. Kashaya Pradhana Pancharasa. We have the 6 tests in Ayurveda. Madhur, Amla, Lavana. Katu, Tikta, Kashaya. Madhur, Amla, Lavana. Katu, Tikta, Kashaya. Here, Lavan ras is not there. Madhura is there, Amla is there, Katu is there, Tikta is there, and Kashaya. No Lavan ras. Pancharasa. Madhura Vipak and Ushna Virya. Abhayarishta is a good laxative. You can buy this bottle at your home and take 4 teaspoons of Abhayarishta with 4 teaspoons of water before the lunch and dinner. Gandharva Haritaki Churna is also available. Gandharva means eranda. Trifala tablet, Hirda, Bheda and Avala, that is also available. Eranda Vrishta Haritaki tablets are also available whenever there is a constipation, whenever there is skin disease, whenever there is a patient of ascites, whenever asthmatic patient is there, hemiplegia patient is there, you must use Eranda Vrishta Haritaki tablet. Hirda, you can see the big leaves of the Hirda. Mendi, next plant is Mendi. Lawsonia inermis, this is the Latin name. Red color after the preparing the paste. When you apply the paste of Mendi, it is used for the hair dyeing. Leaves are used for dyeing, coloration to the hair, black coloring to the hair, or little bit brownish. Tikta Katu is a ras, bitter and pungent. Katu is a pungent, is a vipak, and Sheeta is a virya. Mendi powder is used for hair coloring. That is Daha Prashamana property. Hence used in the burnings hand and feet, but due to the red coloration, this is very used less time. In spite of that, we apply the Shatta Dhauta Grita. Lot of chemical adulteration in the hair dye with Mendi is done many times, and that can be identified because it has a less smell and not properly giving the red color to your hair. Okay. Muruda Sheng. This is another plant, Muruda Sheng. Helicteris isora. This is the Latin name. This is used to reduce the abdominal colic effect, renal colic, intestinal colic, dysmenorrhea, especially in the children. This plant is for children, pediatric use. In very interesting, another name in English is Indian screw tree. Screw. I will explain. I will show you the picture. Balakadu tablet is available in the market. Balakadu. It contains Murud Sheng. Balguti is also available. Syrups are also available. The Murud Sheng is one of the important content of any pediatric medicine. Shengas, the paste has been prepared. Kashaya is a ras, astringent. Katu is a vipak, bitter, and katu means pungent, and shita is a cooling effect. Okay, so you can see screw like. This is typical structure on the plant. Is like a, so that's why it is used as an antispasmodic. Antispasmodic. Spasm, abdominal pain is reduced. So can you see that particular a node on that particular plant? Next plant is Aranda. Aranda. Ricinus communis. Trees of moderate height. Typical 5 leaves. You can see applied on the inflammation. Externally, Aranda is applied. The leaves are applied with the oil as a poultice even. Ricinus oil internally can be taken as a laxative. Tikta kashaya katu madhura. Tikta means bitter, kashaya means astringent, katu is a pungent, and madhur is a sweet. Vipak is madhur and virya is ushna. Remember, when you take the eranda oil internally, it can cause some not proper taste to your mouth, also slimy in nature. Here you can take the fennel decoction or the hot water or the hot tea as a anupan when you take the eranda taila. Okay, so this is eranda. You can see a typical structure of the leaves. Okay, eranda again. It is very easy to identify the typical circular arrangement of the leaves. Can you see eranda? Saptaparna. Next plant is a Saptaparna. Sal is a Kushtagna. Sal is used as anti, what you can say, the skin disorder. Any skin disorder is can be very well cured by Saptaparna. 6 to 8 leaves are there. This is a big tree. Kandatvak, skin of the stem is used. Satvin Sal Churna. Satvin Sal Churna is available. Tikta Katu is a ras, and Katu is a vipak, and Ushna is a virya. Then this is a Siddharthak Snan. That means Siddharthak Churna is available. It is mentioned by Charak in the Kushta Chikitsa, and that particular powder is used for bath. Internally also sometimes a typical formulation, and paste you can apply as externally for the skin diseases. So this is Saptaparna plant. This is all for today, and this is Ayurvedic medicinal plant part 3 video. Please, I request you please see from 1 to 10 all the videos, and you will be definitely get benefited in your medical practice. So, but whatever the as a measurement as a medicine I have mentioned, it should be reconfirmed by your nearby Vaidya. कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्यकीय सलाह लेना बहुत ही जरूरत है. Do you want advice for any of your health problem? You can WhatsApp Professor Deshpande 922681060. Dear students and doctors, do you want any video for any specific topic? We make the paid videos also. You can WhatsApp me on 922681060. I am very much thankful for looking this video, and I request all of you to like this video and share this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. I wish you all the best. Take care. All the best. Bye bye. So I wish all the best. All the best.